Day 2. So, still in Illinois. Got about 17 miles before we stop, and it is flat. We're actually taking Route 40, US Route 40, because, you know, keeping in tradition with Route 66, I kind of wanted to just take the back roads, you know, keep away from all of the mainstream traffic and stuff, and see what we could see on the other side. So one of the things about these back roads is the condition of them. Some they're patching them in some parts, but in other parts they're kind of rough. So if you do, you know, decide to take some of these back roads, make sure you're careful. Also, take them now. A lot of these little towns look like they're kind of drying up, and get on the back roads while you can. Trains. Am I right? This is like the best week of the year. I'm not going to tell you which one it really is, but it's the best week of the year. There we go. Now I'm recording. It's like the bumpiest no line side road. So this is part of 40. That's so weird. Like you go from like a 4-lane road to a 2-lane road to whatever you call this, a driveway. Yeah, we're turning right kind of here. Oh, no, sorry. My little icon jumped when I was on the GPS. Now we're going right. Oh shit, this is one we wanted. All right, well, hold on. We wanted that one. I'm gonna turn around. Yeah, I'm coming. There's a car coming behind you. All right, sorry.
See the little ballerina behind me? Alright, so we at least made it to St. Louis, and the arch is behind me, so hopefully not everything is, you know, screwed up like the traffic here in St. Louis. Oh well, next thing.
There we go. Train Town. I wonder if this is like Pacific Railroad, like Monopoly. So that strip right there is what Uranus looks like. Look at that right there, buddy. Historic Route 66 byway. Looks like I got just enough juice left to get some of this. Yeah, well, this is not Route 66. This is the caverns off of Route 66. It's kind of a nice change of pace from 55 and super curvy, or you know, a crap ton of stoplights and stop signs and stuff.
The little ballerina behind me. All right, so we